The folks at the Higgins Firm have been representing people who have suffered after taking the drug Yaz. And today we're getting a look at some interesting developments. I recently sat down with attorney Jim Higgins to learn more. Hey Jim, thanks for being here.
Sure.
All right, so we're talking about a lawsuit that your office has been dealing with, and this is concerning Yaz Products. Talk a little bit about it.
Yaz is an oral contraceptive that's been on the market for a while now, and there's been nationwide litigation that we've been involved with and dealing with because there's a risk associated with the drug with heart attack, stroke, DVT, other blood clots. And basically what it is there are a couple of hormones in the drug that can rapidly increase someone's potassium levels, and that can be dangerous. And so this litigation has developed. It's been going on for years. It's still on the market. You know, people could still use this safely, but we've had some clients that have had some really tragic circumstances from this drug, and so these cases are still going forward today. And it's obviously something, if you're on it, you should talk to your doctor about.
Right. Well, I know it's still in the works, but any recent developments on the litigation?
Yeah. You know, there's been some good progress lately. Bayer has started settling a lot of the cases. There's been about $402 million in settlements. They think we think that's going to increase rapidly over the next few years, and hopefully get some money for these people so they can help with their bills and some of the other damages that they had suffered as a result of it. That's been the payout's been good for that we're making progress on it. The other thing that's happened, FDA sanctioned them or kind of came down against them because they felt that the warnings were not sufficient. They were a little bit misleading as to some of the dangers that can be associated with this drug. So those are things that we feel, after seeing years of litigation and this stuff, that are hopefully helping these people and shedding some light on the products and the lawsuits. Right.
Now, if someone is watching today and they've suffered a blood clot or maybe a heart attack while on this drug, what should they do?
Well, one, even if they haven't, I would suggest they talk to the doctor. If they have, that's what's interesting, is a lot of people had these symptoms or had these problems and just never connected the two because they had never heard about it. They never knew that could have been the cause of it. So, there are certain time limits on all these cases, and man, they come quick. Right. And it's hard because you're dealing with a tragic incident. It's devastating to your family, and people don't naturally immediately think, oh, lawsuit. And it shouldn't. Exactly. But that clock is ticking. So if you've had this type of injury, whether it's us or whoever, you're welcome to just call our office, and we can talk to you, talk about your options, see if there's something in there that can help you, and take that case and perhaps help some of these folks.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Jim.
Thank you.
Hey, the Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 615-353-0930 or check out higginsfirm.com. We'll be right back.